jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one.
Everyone, I am Amanjot Kaur, Dr. Amanjot Kaur. I am teaching in DAV College, Karnal. This is my husband, Amaninder Singh. He is an advocate at Karnal Courts. From an education department, really feel like that a child should be well nurtured in the early initial years of their life. So I chose ABC Montessori School because I consider it to be the best school of Karnal. It is a home away from home. My child has actually learned so many things which I feel that I couldn't have taught her if she would have been with me at home. If I compare my child with other age mates of other schools, I really feel the difference. Particularly the activities like climbing stairs, peeling oranges and breaking the shells of the nuts really make a difference. They really make a child grow, develop. Other schools, they make the children only learn numbers, alphabets. They don't stress on what the real things are actually needed in life.
What I'll really say about the school, basically this is ABC Montessori, is one of the, you see some of the people they go for it's a brand, it's a what, but the thing is the school should be a school, it should be appropriate to the age. The teaching of numbers and alphabets, that everybody is doing, but there is a difference, there should be a difference. Everybody say that okay, there is a difference, but we know about that, we have seen the difference in our child. So this is the thing.
Ravina and the staff, they are really making a great effort to make it a success. So ABC Montessori, we really feel that this is the best, the ever best school in Karnal, and we feel lucky that our child is here in this school.
And as well as what I think about my child, as after going through with the other schools, I have searched lots of schools and for my child when I have to when she has to take the admission in the before the admission of my child, I searched it a lot. But after that, when I decided for my child, this school, basically I've seen that what they are saying they are doing basically. The preparatory material, what they have, every school have that kind of preparatory material, but they don't use that.
They don't actually use of those things.
So ABC Montessori, they were using at that moment when before the admission of my child, when I visited to the school, they were basically teaching to their students with that material. So that's why I get to know that they are basically using it. So as well as one of the other thing I really appreciate with the school, they have a one criteria, like in a month they take the school children for outdoor
trips.
That is one of the best thing, because
short
that
trips.
Yeah, exactly. Because
Karnal Lake.
On that part, this is basically enhancing the child's making
the child
confident. Yeah, making a child confident, it will be a much best thing in this world, because when a child becomes
making the child independent.
Independent.
Really make the child
Exactly.
independent. When they go out, they don't feel that this is the first time they are coming out. Like when we take her to McDonald's, and they know how to eat and what to eat, how to sit, and they behave properly.
Even in the home, they behave very properly. They used to talk. They love to come to school. Basically, this is one of the best thing in this school. The children love to come to school. They in the morning, and when the first light of the morning,
they are so
when
excited to come to school.
Exactly.
Like
they said that I want to wear the uniform.
Exactly. If it's a Saturday, they really feel like it's Saturday, so we are not. There is no school.
There is no school. My van is not coming,
coming.
Papa. Exactly. This is they used to say. So this is the basically difference between this school and the other school. They give a home away from the home, as my wife said, a home away from the home for my child. Basically, this is the best thing of the school. What we want from the school. This is the only thing we want from the school. My child should be happy, and as well as she should learn one of the best thing in this world. This is the thing. This school is providing to us.
Thank you.
That's it. Thank you.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it